The 2024 Toyota Tacoma i4 Max TRD Pro stands out as a pinnacle of off-road capability and innovative hybrid technology in Toyota's lineup. With the introduction of the i4 Max powertrain, the TRD Pro model not only embraced but also enhanced its rugged heritage with a state-of-the-art advancement, making it a top choice for adventure enthusiasts. At the heart of the 2024 Tacoma TRD Pro is the groundbreaking i4 Max hybrid system, combining a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor. This setup integrates seamlessly into the 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering a robust 326 horsepower and an impressive 465 pound-feet of torque. This significant boost in power and efficiency allowed the Tacoma to tackle challenging terrains while maintaining better fuel economy. The TRD Pro model exclusively features Toyota new dynamic performance front seat, designed to reduce body movement and enhance comfort during off-road excursion. This should employ an air over oil shocks absorber system, allowing for both vertical and lateral movement, thus stabilizing the head and neck in alignment with the spine. For off-road performance, the TRD Pro is equipped with a TRD Tune Fox Key S3 adjustable shocks with a rear remote reservoir, enhancing the trackability to handle road terrains at a higher speed. Moreover, the Tacoma TRD Pro includes standard features such as an electronic locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, and cruise control, which help navigate through the most demanding trails. Visually, the TRD Pro carries a distinctive design with a heritage-inspired Toyota grille that integrates a 20-inch LED light bar and a rigid industry LED fog lamp. The truck is also available in an exclusive terra color, adding to its striking appearance. Overall, the 2024 Tacoma i4 Max TRD Pro is more than just a truck. It is a sophisticated tool for adventure, blending advanced technology, robust performance, and a high level of comfort to empower the most daring off-roaders.